I'm Adam. And I'm Tango. And this is Where There's a Williams, There's a Way. Tango, why are you sneaking into the kitchen at midnight? I could ask you the same, Adam. Midnight snack? I was just grabbing a cookie. But Tango, you're eating a shoe. Shoes are my favorite snack. Don't judge. Besides, I thought they were called sneakers for a reason. Fair point, but I don't think Nike makes them edible. Really? Because these smell like they've got a hint of vanilla. That's because you're eating my gym shoe. I ran through a bakery this afternoon. That explains the taste of donuts. Delicious. Got any more? Not shoes, but I do have some carrots in the fridge. Carrots? I am not a rabbit. Got any loafers instead? Tango, you're one of a kind, but how about we compromise? You get a carrot and I get my shoes back? Deal. But you owe me one fancy shoe next time. Fancy shoe? Like a high heel? Now you're talking. Midnight Snacks just got stylish. Today's book is a delectable picture book about midnight snacks, nocturnal creatures, and unexpected generosity, inspired by lunch carts that were the predecessors of today's food trucks and diners. Night Lunch. Words by Eric Fan. Pictures by Dena Seiferling. Clip, clop, midnight moon. The night lunch cart rolls in. Sweep, sweep, dust and leaf. Windows all aglow. Drip, drop, coffee's hot. Noses sniff the air. Shuffle, yawn, bellies growl. The night lunch bell is ringing. Tick, hum. Oven's on, pots and spoons are clanging. Hoot, hoot, mince pie for Fox. Badger wants a sandwich. Crack, crack, a dozen eggs. Sizzling in the pan. 1, 2, just like that. Sausages and peppers. 1, 2, just like that. Butter rolls and biscuits. Rustled wrap, all to go. Puddings for little possums. Do you know what kind of food they serve at this place? No, what is it? They call it Hoot Cuisine. I hear the head chef is Oliver. I bet he makes a mean mouse souffle. His real specialty is nightshade noodles. What about appetizers? They have a dish called Hooter's Delight, crispy critters with a side of moonbeam sauce. Sounds like a hoot. Do they serve dessert? Yeah, they have a midnight mouse pudding, but Oliver insists on calling it sweet mousel. Clever! Do you think they'd hire a horse as a busboy? It looks like he already has, but you'd have to watch your step. Owls are always dropping hints about horseplay being off limits. I bet they'd appreciate my knack for collecting shoes. Imagine the looks on their faces when I trot in with a chef's clog. They might just give you a job on the spot. After all, everyone needs a good soulmate in the kitchen. Sweep, sweep, only crumbs to eat. No pennies in the gutter. Tick-tock, time to stop. The sky outside is brightening. Here, here, what have we here? Little mouse is trembling. Sweep, sweep, dust and leaf, windows all aglow. 1, 2, just like that, a night lunch feast is waiting. 1, 2, just like that, a night lunch feast for 2. Mouse says thank you twice. Owl just nods and ruffles. Clip, clop, the morning sun. The night lunch cart rolls on. If we started a business together, what would it be? Any ideas? Well, I've always wanted to open a carrot cafe. We could call it Carrots and Curriculum. You got upset when I offered you a carrot earlier. Well, that was after midnight. You don't eat carrots after midnight? Interesting, I've never heard of that. And what would we serve? Carrots, of course. Carrot soup, carrot cake, carrot juice, the works. Sounds delicious, but how do we incorporate the curriculum part? Easy! While people enjoy their carrot treats, you can give lessons on the nutritional benefits of carrots and other veggies. I can see it now. Today, kids will learn multiplication tables while munching on carrot sticks. And I'll entertain them with some impressive horse tricks, like balancing a carrot on my nose. That's a great idea. But what if someone doesn't like carrots? Then they can go to the apples and arithmetic section next door, run by my cousin, Applejack. And if they don't like apples or carrots, well, they might be beyond our help. Let's stick to what we do best. Agreed. Carrots and curriculum it is. Let's make this the best carrot cafe and educational center ever. And don't forget, I get unlimited carrots as my paycheck. Deal. And if you feel like you've learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm Adam. And I'm Tango. And this is Where There's a Williams, There's a Way. Did you know? A Danish study suggests that late night eating can cause health problems like acid reflux and esophageal cancer. Some healthy late night snacks include popcorn, hummus, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, fish, avocado toast, bell peppers, and oatmeal.